SolarWinds Orion Modern Dashboards provide users with at-a-glance views of dynamic key performance indicators and metrics relevant to their particular objective or business process. Whether you're looking to provide high-level, status-driven views for C-suite, NOC views, or more detailed views with trends and other metrics to support IT professionals with troubleshooting, Orion dashboards offer a wide variety of customization options for displaying dynamic information. To access an existing dashboard or create a new one, click Settings, Manage Dashboards. Then click on the sample map to start editing. With modern dashboards, you can choose from various dynamic widget types, including KPI widgets, table widgets, and proportional widgets, such as pie charts, donut charts, and bar charts. You can even include SolarWinds PerfStack time series widgets for reference. Quickly adjust the size and position of widgets. Add new widgets simply by dragging them into the dashboard. You can edit them with either the Graphical Query Builder wizard or with the Swickle Query hand edit option. The interactive preview pane lets you check the progress of your widget as you build. Choose your own background or select colors to indicate warning or threshold status. Customize the way you build and share key information and status at glance with managers, stakeholders, and business partners using SolarWinds Orion Modern Dashboards.